Are we good? We're live? I'm going to assume we're live, and I'm going to raise this just a tad before we get all 100% here. And yes, I now see the preview. We are for sure live. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the next live stream. Well, if you're catching it, it's a live stream, but the next video on the home media FreeNAS server. Now, last time, if you joined me in the last live stream, which is unlikely because, come on now, let's be honest, I got a new machine that I can tinker around with, and it was given to me under the condition of that if I do like the results that it's capable of, I could then purchase the product from this person and have ownership of it, which is really cool. So it's basically a test drive of this server that was donated, and we get to try it out. If it works, we keep it. If not, we return it. Thanks for the test drive. He'll reformat it and go on his way. So that's kind of the situation we're at. I'm super excited to use it because it's actually a legit server. In the last video, we were basically just creating ours from some old Dell Optiplex. Well, not anymore. This is now legit stuff. So we're going to take a look at that, and I will show you the machine itself as we move along here. So let me go ahead and just send out the bird call to everyone. Just like that. And right there. Okay. Ta-da! We are ready to go. So there's not much to it. Let me kind of go over the setup here. So as you can see, I have a webcam pointing at the monitor. I am no longer capturing directly from the PC. That is because this machine that was given does not actually have any digital video interface. We're all analog with this. It does have a display port, and I tried two different options that I'm going to show you. So let me unplug it because I didn't unplug it apparently. Oh my goodness, there we go. That was really in there. So I tried two different things. Number one, I tried straight display port. Where is it? Display port to HDMI. Now, you would think this would work because this is also an active adapter, so there is actually some sort of function to this. It's not just a straight converter. And that didn't work. So then I tried getting all analog on it. So this one is not an active connector. It's a straight converter from DisplayPort to DVI, then from DVI to HDMI. And DVI to HDMI is not unheard of. So this seemed like it would have been reasonable for it to work, but it did not. Oh wow, I'm not even really showing you, am I? I am in the screen, aren't I? Yeah, I am. Okay, anyways, either way, it didn't work. So DisplayPort on the machine from the motherboard is not working. Kind of just gave up on that. We're sticking with VGA, hence why we are capturing it from the webcam. Hopefully you can read it when things pop up, but it's not going to really be important until the installation is complete. So if you are following along, you probably are way ahead of me because we started this project a week and a half ago now. Something like that. It was like midweek, 2 weeks ago, where we started putting it together. But now it's coming into fruition with an actual server. I don't know what I'm going to do with the other machine. I put a lot of work into it. Might sell it. Maybe I'll load it up with a bunch of 2.5-inch drives, make a little project out of it, and get it off my hands. That's actually a big possibility. But I'm going to take my Q6600 back and put the dual core, which defeats the whole purpose of upgrading the BIOS. Do you remember us upgrading the BIOS like when we originally started? Because to use the new quad-core Q6600 processor, we had to upgrade the BIOS of the motherboard so it's compatible with it, which means we had to actually have the dual core in there, have Windows installed, which it did not. I think it had Windows XP installed that was corrupted or something. It wasn't booting. It wasn't booting properly, at least. So then we had to install Windows, update the BIOS, then install FreeNAS. We did all of this only to get another machine that's FreeNAS ready. Okay, that was a bit of a rant. I need to calm down because now I'm thinking about it. It's making me angry. Let's go ahead and just turn it on. I have, if you remember, the reason why it took this long is because I had to order a new thumb drive. The SanDisk Cruiser that I was using originally, wherever that went now, here it is. This SanDisk Cruiser, among others, does not work as a bootable FreeNAS drive. It just doesn't work. It's not possible at all. We tried installing on it, error after error in the midst of installation. That did not work. We tried another SanDisk, different model, at least model line. This is the Cruiser. It was some other SanDisk one. Irrelevant. It got a little farther, but still didn't work. So I ordered 2 drives, one PNY, not SanDisk, one PNY to try this out. This is a 32 gig USB 3.0, which this computer does have 3.0. And I also got another drive in case for whatever reason PNY doesn't work. Maybe it's SanDisk subsidiary. Who knows? The point is, I got a backup drive, a 32 gig Samsung. And I didn't notice how ridiculously cheap these are. It was like $6 to $7. I think this one was $6, the PNY, and then Samsung was like $7, $8, something like that. It was crazy. So I'm like, I'll just buy 2 so that when I make this video, which is right now, this very second, I don't have to deal with nonsense. So let's plug this back in. And get it ready and make sure we're all good here, up and running. I'm going to power it up. Oh, and I have a keyboard down here. Right there. So let's go ahead and get into the boot menu, which is F9. It's usually F8. Not today. I can barely see anything on the screen because I have to sit here. It's right over there on my right. USB device, that's what we want. I would use the preview here, but it's very hard to read. Oh my goodness. That's terribly hard to read. Let me see if I can make that better for you guys. Sweet Jesus. Yeah, sorry about that. Would it be better if it was like a top-down view? I think like right here would be best. I need to raise this up a little bit. Let me see if I could find something to raise it up with. We're doing this live. What do I got? I have a laptop here. You know what? I got just a thing. Careful with this. The disk full of drives. Okay, that worked out quite well. I'm not sure what that glare is from though. Where's this glare from? Where is it? Is it this thing here? Oh, that's this light. Alright, I don't know. Should I turn that off? That actually works. It's going to be a little dark, but it's fine. Okay. Yeah, you guys can actually see that. That's pretty usable for me too. Let's make this happen. I'm hoping this works out because I am just so ready to have a working functional server. I'm done fiddling. And I also have 2 SSDs that I have left over from the old Phantom 410 box that I was working on in the previous video as well. So I'm curious what to do with these. Should I put them in the gaming rig or the streaming rig? 1 and 1? I don't know. These are both 240, I think. 240. 256, close enough. So maybe I'll put 1 and 1, but the streaming computer definitely needs 1. I'm wondering, should I put both of them in there? Decisions. What has everyone else been working on? Do you guys have any quarantine tech projects? I want to know. I don't think anyone's commented about their quarantine tech projects. I keep asking. I know you guys are working on quarantine tech projects. I actually had another one in the works. It's done now, but it was my streaming machine setup. That one had a little bit of work that I did not actually make videos on. It just, I don't know, it seemed redundant. I was just doing really similar things like changing processors, video cards. Actually, I think I did make a video. That might be one of the random projects, not the home media server. That might be, yeah, right there is the last video or two, quarantine tech projects. Damn, I don't remember, but I feel like I did make a video on it now that I think about it. Alright, this thing booted up, but not into the USB. Let's make sure this USB still has the FreeNAS installation on it. Well, what the hell? I'm pretty sure this has the FreeNAS installation on it. Let's try it again. I'm gonna plug it into a different USB maybe. Like I plugged it into a USB that was not on the motherboard. Alright, it looks like it got recognized. Yeah, look, it says FreeNAS Smart D. That's the one. Currently unread sectors. Currently unreadable sectors. Pending sectors. You know, can I just restart? Is it restarting? I have no idea. Failed to connect RPD? RRD cache. Just reboot. December 31st? What the hell? You're tripping. It ain't December 31st. Okay. You're getting the button push. There we go. System process. I can barely see over that. Alright, let's try this one more again. F9. This is super clicky clacky. That is loud. Alright, here we go. USB drive. It's not this, right? What the hell is that? USB device. Come on. There it is. That's the one. It didn't do that last time. There we go. Is boot FreeNAS. Hold on. Configure boot options? I want to reinstall it basically. Select boot environment. I don't think that's it. How do I go back? Crap. How do I go back? Initial install maybe? I think that's what I want. Initial install. I can't tell what I'm doing. It's almost as if I'm blind to what's going on. Just guessing. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's do it. I could just hope it boots into an installer of some sort. No, I think it's rebooting. SAS address from SATA. Yeah, those are SAS drives, which I have come to learn. 2.5-inch SAS drives. Okay. Is it doing its thing? I don't know what's happening right now. New ideas. I wish there would be some sort of prompt, but it's Unix. What do you want from it? Run interrupt driven hooks. Still waiting after 60 seconds. Said forget about it. We're leaving it behind. Okay. Mount root. What do you want me to do here? Well, I could do ls. Invalid system specification. What the hell does that mean? Alright, give me another reboot. Gotta do like restart. Oh. Restrat. Whoops. What the hell? I've never seen that before. You can't do restart. Okay, do it. What the hell is this? I can delete? What? What did I do? Why is it so hard to just get the installation going? It obviously recognizes it. Okay. Did I miss it? Nope. USB. Okay. Alright. Enter that one. Why is it not able to... Here. Let's configure the boot. Select the boot environment. Boot FreeNAS. But I don't want to boot FreeNAS. I want to install FreeNAS. running into a bit of issues here. Whoops. Okay, I think I got an idea. I have a Windows disk here. I think I'm just gonna go in and delete it. Let's do that. I'm gonna remove the FreeNAS USB. These USBs are terribly manufactured. Jesus. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. Then we're gonna go to the Windows installation, and I know how to format the drive through there. It's much simpler than trying to figure this out right now. Just gonna delete it. We wouldn't be able to boot if we tried. Let's go. USB device. What? Well, that would explain why it's just going straight into the boot. Huh. Okay. God damn it. Can I restart it? I don't want to turn it off while it's loading everything. Oh no, that might be noise. Yeah, that's definitely going to be noise. Okay, so we're not even getting to the installation screen. I think that's the problem here. But why? Why is that occurring? Okay. Are we done loading yet? Do I just go for it? Do I restart it? I don't want to like corrupt the entire thing, but I guess it doesn't really matter. Alright. One more GAN. Please be good to me. You know what? I'm going to see if it's readable. I do. That's actually not bad. USB device. Toshiba, Silicon Power. Oh, wait a minute. Silicon Power is owned by Toshiba? Does it say on here? It doesn't. Toshiba makes these, eh? Had no idea. How about PNY? It's also made in Taiwan. I would not be surprised if they're made in like the same factory. Oh, there we go. We got the Windows installation screen. So hopefully I delete the right thing, and that'll make life so much easier. Alright, there's no way I could read that, but it's just a basic Windows installation screen. Why is that so terrible? Is the focus off? That might be as good as it gets. Alright, I'm sorry, but it's just a regular old installation screen. But we're not even installing Windows 10. We're gonna wipe everything. I might wipe every single drive for good measure. And then just format it. Doesn't even matter. We're just picking one to get onto the next screen. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go. What's in here? So drive 0 is 2 terabytes. Then you have a 3.8 gigabyte. What the hell is that? 3.8 gigabytes. Okay, this is the SSD. Is it 1 2 terabyte standard drive? Oh man, I wish I could see what these are. Alright, let's start with this. Okay, that took a little while. So let's do the, oh, what did I just do? Alright, it's a little slow to do that, but there we go, that's one drive. This is a separate drive. This is the caching drive. 100%. Okay. Just gonna do this to all the drives. Screw it. I mean, we have to clear the data out of there anyway, right? The previous owner may have had data on there. No idea. They probably formatted it prior to, I mean, honestly speaking. And this is what I was told to do. I was told to start from scratch, and that's what I'm going to work on. I don't think I'm going to format all the drives. I think I'm just going to leave them blank. Not even formatted. And then we'll start the installation process. Do. Look how fun this is, everyone. Unix and Windows working together to accomplish one job. I mean, there's probably a way to do this with a FreeNAS installation boot, but we're not going to spend the time to figure that out. I don't know what this drive 8 is. What the hell is drive 8? I can't even do anything to this. Maybe just like onboard kind of stuff? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Alright, that's done. So now I think if I hit this button, how do I get out of here? Where's the mouse at? Let's see if we can attach a mouse. I'm just going to attach it to the front. Easiest solution. Oh, I should probably turn it on, right? Yeah. Am I sure I want to quit? Yes, but before we quit, I'm going to put the HP back in. Yes, we're going to quit. Canceling the Windows install. Pulling it out. Capping this one up, and we're going to F9 again. Compact DC 7900. I have to remember that. Compact DC 7900. I'm going to write that down. Okay. USB device. Huh, they call it a desktop computer. I would not call this a desktop. Okay. Still says boot FreeNAS. I just deleted all the drives. What? Is FreeNAS installed somewhere that I can't see? There's no USB devices connected except mine. How is this booting into FreeNAS right now? Alright. I didn't even know what to say to that. I'm trying to think what I missed. I just deleted all of the partitions in the machine. Every single one of them. And the cache for good measure. Let me think. As this does its thing. I really want to see if it does actually boot in. And if it does, what is our next step? I'm trying to comprehend what's happening right now. I'm trying to mount root. Failed. Obviously. I'm not sure why it's so hard to go into the installation wizard. I'm sorry for the background noise. It is extremely loud. Hopefully it's not coming through. I think it's giving up. Retrying for 30 more seconds. Okay, can you stop trying? It's not booting. It's not gonna boot. You can't make boot happen. Why? Why do you do this? Bastard. For the love of God. Trying to process what I can do now. What is our next step? That was weird. It made a sound. Huh. Okay. Why are we not able to access the installation wizard? We need the wizard. Okay. This is embarrassing. USB device. HP. Load system defaults, maybe? Did that do anything? I don't know. Is it just gonna freeze at the same place again? Really? I don't know what's happening here. This was supposed to be a quick little install. We've been spending 40 minutes on this troubleshooting business. It does this every single time. Trying to mount from, okay. Mount root, FS type option. Mount device using file system, FS type was specified. don't understand any of that. This is not what I'm trying to do. Can I just quit? I can't quit. Wonderful. I'm getting very frustrated here. Alright, let me see here real quick. Huh. That's not what I'm looking for. Huh. Well, let's try one more time. Animal's going crazy. I'm gonna try one more time. What is going on with this machine? Give me the boot menu. They're yelling out there. There it is. Okay, let's try this one more again. USB device. HP. Why is the boot option there? I just want to set this thing back up. What the hell? Initial install or default? I think I'm gonna do default. Like, I don't know what else to do. It just won't start the install process. If we get stuck again, I'm going to open this thing up and disconnect everything except one drive. That's it. I already deleted everything off the drives. There's nothing on there. Why is it even trying to boot into FreeNAS? Boggles my mind. It's like it has a mind of its own. And here we are. What does it want me to do? Example. That's a little too advanced. What's it asking here? Manual, root, file, specification. Alright, I'm turning this off and we're trying it the hard way. Okay. This has become a pain in the ass, 100% officially. It's heavy as hell. Oh my goodness. Whew. I'm gonna do this on my lap. I know, it's probably stupid. You're probably thinking the same thing. Alright, so if we go here. Okay, here's this. That goes here. Then we have this. What is this thing? I don't even know what this is. Doesn't matter. This goes here. Okay. Wow. That's huge. That's huge. But I unplugged everything except the drive that should be booting. This looks dangerous. Probably is. Okay. All right. One, two. And I think we just need power. Hold on, let me put this down flat. Okay. All right. Whew. Running through. All right. It's kind of slow for a computer. Might just be me. I guess in hindsight it's pretty fast. I can't count that fast. I believe in this. It can do it. Do it. Oh snap, what's up RCT? Oh man. Okay, well, I have a home media server that I'm trying to get working. This was actually a machine that was given by a donor, and I was basically told if it works for my needs, I can keep it and pay for it, or if it's not what I'm looking for, then I have to give it back, and that will be that. So it's kind of like a test drive. And I'm just trying to install FreeNAS on this thing. And there used to be a FreeNAS installation on here, but I mean, I have no access to it because it was the previous owner's password and everything. So I decided, let me just delete everything from the drives, start all over. And I did that. So there's nothing in any of these drives. There's 6 drives, nothing in any of them. And now it's still trying to boot into the pre-existing FreeNAS installation that used to be here. So that's kind of where we're at, is trying to just kind of trying to install FreeNAS on here. The specs, there's 4 SCSI drives that are connected in SATA. I guess they're SAS drives. Oh my goodness, that sound is not very appealing. Give me the boot menu. Yeah, there's 4 SAS drives, 1 SSD cache, and then 1 regular HDD. What the hell is going on here? No boot. I'm telling you to boot from the USB. Give me the boot option. There it is. Oh, I didn't plug in the USB. Oh, I'm freaking out now. Panic is ensuing. Oh man. Why is this USB not going in? I flipped it twice. There it is. 3rd time's the charm. Okay, I missed everything. See? It's still trying to boot from FreeNAS. Why are you doing that? Anyways, it's got 8 gigs of RAM, a quad core, a Core 2 quad generation. I don't know the exact processor, to be honest. I haven't looked into that yet. I'm just trying to install the freaking FreeNAS. You know, I thought about that. Internal USB. I looked around. There's nothing. It's a very basic box. I have a stream. My last stream, I kind of did a tour of the inside, but let me try to set that up here really quick. Can I get a light? I need a light. Hold on, I got you. Turn on the outlet. There we go.
Sure, turning the outlet.
All right. Yeah, let me see if I can show you the box down here. Oh, excuse the mess. Excuse the mess. So here it is. It's pretty basic, and this is actually helpful. I can see much better doing this than kneeling down there. So, yeah, as you can see, this is like some sort of SCSI controller, I guess. I'm not really sure. And then the drives are here where this black area is. Those are all the drives. And then you can see the SSD kind of creeping. There's the font of the SSD. Yeah. Yeah, they're old, but this is just supposed to be like a Plex server. It's not supposed to be anything fancy. I'm just trying to get some data on here and, you know, stream it around the house. Something super basic. So, I mean, I don't know what to do. You're right, though. There is a USB option that comes up. That's what kind of got me froze for a second. There was a USB option that came up. But there's nothing obvious in here. Nothing. I don't want to play around with it while it's on, but I'm going to turn this off. Nothing. Okay. I could lift this up and yeah. I'm gonna try it one more time though. I guess I'll plug this back in. No point for those to be disconnected now. Huh. I do not have a GPU. I mean, I have this little GPU right here. I don't think this is gonna work out too well. I bent the bracket because I put this in a different Optiplex server, and it was way too tall, so I bent it. It worked, but that's the only thing I can really do with this small machine is stick that in here somewhere. But before we even get to that, I want to see what the hell is going on. There's no type of USB device in here. There's definitely nothing on the exterior that I didn't plug in. I really wonder what it is. Huh. Well, I'm going to try it one more time. I know, man. Old hardware. But it still has heart. It's heartware. Isn't it beautiful, though? Look how green that is. That's that classic green circuit board. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's PCI Express X16, probably like V1. This is a GeForce 8400 GS, 512 megabytes of DDR3 RAM. So get on my level. Your 1080 Ti ain't got shit. You know, I forgot to push buttons. I was showing you stuff. I forgot to push the buttons. But it's okay. Let's go into here. Alright. Storage, device configuration, boot order. So I have the USB booting first. Integrated SATA. It's the hard drive. So I mean that's right. Storage options. So that's the one I'm trying to boot from. What is this? This is what it's booting from. What the hell is that? We're onto something. No, it's PCI Express. I was using it in my old Optiplex. I have an old Optiplex here. Oh, this one's hell heavy. I can't lift it with one arm. But I have an Optiplex back here. It was 100% PCI Express. I'm blind. There's no USB device in here. You want to come back and take a look? Let me bring you back here. Let me bring you back. Let's go into this rat cage with all the wires and whatnot. I think, hold on, check this out. I discovered something lifting this up. That's scary as hell to do. There's a little card over here. Where am I at? Where am I at? There. There's a card right down here. Can I get another light? There we go. So if you can see right next to that yellow adapter looking thing. Is that better? I can't tell. It looks good on my end. But there's something here. I don't know if that's it. I don't want to tinker with it too much. So, I mean, where else could it be? What else could it be? I'm going to put it back. Oh, my bad. Getting dizzy. Oh, we're back. Ta-da. So, it looks like it was a good call. There's some other sort of USB device that's plugged in. I just don't know where it is. I can't find it. I know what it looks like. I know what the headers look like for the USB, but there's nothing in here that looks anything like that. I mean, I'm looking underneath the power supply, which kind of tilts up. I think that's it. Alright, I think that's it. Let's do it. Let's try it out and see what happens. You know, let's continue and see what happens here. Oh, you know what? Can't I just disable this? TS. Let me see what that is. I'm just gonna Google that model number. If it looks like what this chip is, then it's definitely that. TSFGUFM. What is this thing? USB flash module. Oh, that is it. Called it. I got the naked version. Right? UFM. Yup, I got the UFM version. There's no images for it, but that's what it is. Holy smokes, we found it. Okay. Honestly, I wish I could just disable it. Storage options. Okay, I think we got this. Sweet. It's right under the SAS controller. So I'm just going to turn this off right now. Unplug it. Oh my goodness. That's exactly what it is. It's this little chip that plugs into the USB header. I don't know if you can see that. My lighting is terrible right now. My bad. But that's exactly what this is. It's a little 4 gig chip. Crazy. Wow. We did it. There you go. You called it. If I can make you a VIP, I would. But this ain't Twitch. I'm going to turn it back on. Yes, I know, the sourdough. I will get to the sourdough. I'm currently live. I'll get to it. Making sourdough bread. Oh, boot menu. I feel like an artiste. I have my canvas, not the canvas, what are these things called? Where they have all the paints. Man, I used to know the name of that thing. What happens if I know the sourdough, I'll get to it. Jesus. Oh man, now I gotta find out what it was called. It's really bothering me. Palette. Oh. That's what it's called, a palette. Should have known. And I don't know why this thing is taking so long to boot. Oh, because I have to push F1. Duh. I know, I'll get to the sourdough. Yeah. I know. I'm 100% aware. I'm live. Thank you. Jesus. How many times did I scream that? You did good. What? Why is it showing me this? I wanted the boot menu. Better go into nerd rage over here. F9. Did I not hit it fast enough? It only gives me the option for boot, not boot menu. You're kidding me. Give me the boot menu. I'm sorry, I was trying to save you from the clickety clackety. We're clickety clacking. What's happening here? I can't tab. I can't arrow. What am I supposed to do? What kind of? Why is boot menu in the corner and it's not allowing me to select it? The CMAS battery is dead, but that's the least of my worries right now. Let me get this thing up and running. Oh, there we go. Thank our Lord and Savior, Jesus Christos. I have no idea. I didn't set this machine up, so I'm just kind of learning as we go here. Why is he doing that? Are you kidding me? The USB drive is plugged in, straight to the motherboard. No, UEFI was not around during that time, or it was just starting to become a thing. Okay. Please just give me the boot menu. This is what I want right here. USB boot device. Give it to me. Let me select the boot drive. Damn it. Media test failure. Are you messing with me? This thing's messing with me. This is disgusting. It's absolutely disgusting. I'm not sure what PXE is. That's new to me. The PXE is new to me. Where is Rufus? Did I delete Rufus? USB has the installation of FreeNAS already on there. Or at least it should have the installation. So I was just about to reinstall FreeNAS onto it. Just because I don't know what to do right now. I'm thoroughly upset. No label. That's the one. Do I still have the FreeNAS file? No, I don't. I have to re-download FreeNAS. God damn it. I am so sorry that this is happening right now. Oh, no, it's formatted for BIOS, 100%. Yeah, I made sure of that. I mean, come on. Give me some credit here. I knew what I was getting into. I'm gonna get it working. I will. It's just a matter of time. I swear I had the file on my computer somewhere. I don't know where it went, but it doesn't even matter. Let's just download it. Take them to the download page. We're not signing up. 20 seconds. Not bad. Shouldn't take long. Let's see here. You seem to know a lot about this. I'm going to need you to stay throughout this process. Although I do have to do the sourdough in about half an hour at the most. Yeah, do your thing. I'm installing or reinstalling with Rufus. At least we'll know we'll have the latest version. Right there. Advanced options. Okay. Huh. It says UEFI, but it shouldn't be saying that. It really shouldn't be saying that. I think I'm just gonna format the freaking drive. God damn it, Rufus. Disk management. There it is. Delete volume, please. Okay, volume deleted. New simple volume. Doesn't matter. Give it a H. We're going to call this FreeNAS. Perform a quick format. Finish. Done. And now we should be able to see it and access it like a normal drive. Okay. Ta-da! Done. Okay. Now we open Rufus. I guess I should have shown my screen at this point, but it's okay. Select the image, FreeNAS. Why is it not giving me the option to do a regular BIOS installation? That's weird. I was able to change that last time. Why is it not allowing me this time? What the hell? Should I run it as like admin or something? Disk or image, FreeNAS. Now I can't even change it from UEFI. What the hell? Huh. Why is that option not here? There's boot selection. Partition schema is not available either. Hold on, let me close this real quick. Is it because of the drive? Let's try this one. Okay, Rufus once again. Oh, same thing here. What the hell? Alright. What? Why is nothing going right today? That option was there last time. Oh my goodness. I'm in Rufus right now. I don't know why it's not allowing me to change the partition schema or the target system with any of these USBs. Now I'm pissed. Okay, let's load up, run as administrator. What the hell is going on? You know what, maybe I'll do one pass with UEFI and then I'll try again if I can somehow go over it with a non-UEFI. I don't know why it's not letting me. It's all grayed out. I did format the drive. I'm installing it now, but I formatted the drive earlier before doing this. That's the same thing I did last time. Formatted the drive, went to Rufus, plugged it in. Yep, so it's from FreeNAS, legit. From the horse's mouth, as they say. Last time it was a much smoother experience. This is hitting some speed bumps here. Oh man. It's weird, like I always run into the most basic issues. Like something like this should not be occurring. I should be able to easily drop down the menu, select legacy BIOS or whatever the hell. I forgot what it was called. But it should just be user friendly, easy to do. Maybe I should try formatting FAT32. I don't know. Alright, there we go. Okay. Okay, now it says that I can do target system BIOS. So let me try doing this one more time. That's weird. As soon as it was done, the option came up for BIOS. It's still grayed out. I can't select it, but it's allowing me to install over it with a different target system. I wish I could show you. Maybe I can. Let's do this. Add a new window. I'm going to call this Rufus. Don't make it visible just yet. There it is, Rufus. And let's do something like that. Oh no. Maybe I should do something like that. And then, where's fit to screen? Fit to screen. So yeah, there you go. This BIOS option came up after I did the first. Whoops, did I just flip it upside down? Oh my goodness. Undo. Undo doesn't work here. Just when I got it up. Oh no. Oh no. Everything went wrong all at once. Oh, what the hell? I'm so confused at what I'm looking at. It's all backwards. Ooh, there it is. I was honestly just trying to center it. I wanted to center horizontally, but it already was. Doesn't matter. There it is. You see it now. Does it say fix old BIOS? That I wasn't able to click on that. Yeah. Oh well. I mean, it's not that old of a BIOS, is it? Cancel and do it over, he says. Okay. We will listen to this stranger on the internet. And look, it's grayed out. I told you. I told you it's grayed out. No one listens. Or you know what? Now I have to go into my Windows Manager, format the drive, and do that process over again. Because it's not even showing up in my list of drives. I have to go here, manage devices, FAT32, we'll call it FreeNAS, and go. Okay, so this is the ISO, it's already selected. These are the advanced drive properties. Whoops. It's formatting right now. Okay, there we go, FAT32. BIOS, it's all grayed out. I can't even select that. So as you can see, we're kind of limited what's going on here. I'm just going to go ahead and start it. Reselect the ISO. Okay. Reselected. Here, I'll even close Rufus and reopen it just for you. I'll go back, select the ISO, and as you can see, Rufus has screwed me. And it says UEFI now. God damn it. Alright, I'm just going to go to what I was originally doing. I'm going to do this once, and then I'm going to do it once, and then go over it again, and that way the BIOS will be enabled. It's tragic. It's absolutely tragic. And I feel like I should put this USB device back in. I want to install and overwrite what's on this, but it's not letting me. How's your night going? Or morning, wherever you are? How's the day going? Are you chilling? You have any quarantine tech projects you're working on? Potentially more interesting and smoother going than this? This is the last attempt, and if it doesn't work, we're gonna just have to move along. At least for now. I will revisit it. Plus I have the working Optiplex FreeNAS server behind me. There we go. See, now we have the BIOS option up here. I'm going to start with that. Basically just redoing it. Okay, I'm currently in disk management. That's where I'm looking at it. That's where I'm actually formatting it to. That's how we started, yeah. Oh, without formatting, just delete everything. Living on the wild side. Well, let's see what happens here, because it's already, moving along. So I feel like this would work even if we don't have the add fixes thing. You gotta have faith. You gotta believe. I believe. I'm a believer right now. I don't believe in much, but this one, I believe. Nothing weird is happening. I hope to God nothing weird is happening. Do you see the weirdness? Now I'm feeling it. After you said that, something's in the air. Alright, we're done here. Close it. And for good measure, I'm going to do the... I can't even eject it. It's not even showing up. After it's done with doing its thing, it no longer shows up as a device on my computer, or the Windows machine at least. And I'm going to plug it directly into the motherboard USB of our test machine here. Reboot. That's a scary beep. Computers used to beep real scary. USB device. Did I click enter? No, I didn't. Oh, there it is! Dun dun dun! Oh my goodness. We did it. We did it. You did it. I did it. We did it. Oh man. That is a sight for sore eyes, to be honest. Oh, I should have pushed something. It's going to the installer. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this back. So this is that little chip that we took out, the previous USB drive. I'm going to put this back in there. Would it be dangerous to do it while it's... Yeah, it's probably dangerous to do it at this point while it's on. It's not hot swappable. I'm going to end up frying this little chip. Right? That's probably not a good idea. I mean, there's only one way it goes in. It's not like I can get the pins all twisted, but I don't know. I want to put FreeNAS back on here, because might as well. If I have it, I'm gonna use it, and it's really discreet under all this, or under all the drives. But I'm super excited. I'm panicking. I don't know where to go from here. I have to do the sourdough thing. So I think I'm going to take a little break. I really appreciate you coming and helping me out. If you can also subscribe, I'm going to be continuing this later on. So if you want to come hang while we continue this thing, I'm going to install and we're going to get this up and running. And I'll do a more overview of all the hardware with better lighting, so it's more obvious what's going on. Because I'm going to do like a RAID 5 kind of setup for this FreeNAS server, and that should be fun. I already have a bunch of data and movies and all sorts of stuff I want to put on it, and it's getting to the point where I'm afraid if I don't put it on soon, I'm going to lose all my data because everything is going to die. Everything is on like 10-year-old hardware at this point. I got to back it up. But yeah, once again, thank you, and have a good night. I appreciate you joining. Take care, y'all.